what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a cutting-edge AI platform that offers powerful language models similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT. And these models are designed to understand, generate, and interact with human language in a very smart, natural, and efficient way. So now let's look at some key features of DeepSeek. So the first one is their natural language understanding ability. So as these models can understand human language, so anyone can use them with ease. And the second feature is their fast API access. So as we want to use these models inside our own applications, so for that purpose we need their API. So DeepSeek provide a very simple and easy to use API, so we can easily use these models inside our custom applications. Similarly, it is also very easy to customize their behavior by setting system message. So it means that we can build custom chatbots and assistant applications by customizing their models. Apart from that, we can customize these models by setting system message. So it means that we can build custom chatbots or assistant applications by changing the behavior of these models. And their fourth feature is their multi-turn conversation support. So these models provide the ability to have smart and context-aware conversation. So this is a very useful feature for custom chatbots. Similarly, these models are quite cost-effective as compared to other Gen AI models. So a question arises, why use DeepSeek in Flutter? So as you know, Flutter allows you to build beautiful cross-platform applications for Android, iOS, web and desktop, all from a single code base. So when we combine Flutter flexibility with DeepSeek intelligence, we can build powerful AI apps that look amazing and work everywhere. And that's exactly what you are going to learn inside this course. So in the next lectures, we will set up our Flutter environment and start building our first chatbot application using DeepSeek.